Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic, awesome Radiohead. High and dry. Alright, so let's put a cape on, second fret, standard tuning. I think this is the best way to play this song on acoustic guitar. Okay, so we got a D shape. 1, 2, 3. E minor 7. Got that note right there, it's part of the melody. 1, 2. E minor 7. G major. Let's play G major with the top note being D. Okay, so there's a D to D sus right there. Pinky on third fret E string. So E minor 7. 2, 3, 4. G major to D. D sus D. And we do that pickup there. So we go on D. Up down. To E minor 7. And then D again. To G. And then D. D sus D. D D E minor 7. D D G G major and D. Okay, that's the intro, and then we start singing the verse. E minor 7. G major and D. E minor 7. G major 7 and D. Let's go to chorus. Make me high. E minor G. Back to intro. Verse. Down, down, up, down, down. Chorus. E minor. 2, 2. Do the intro one more time. Okay, so that's the acoustic part right there. Let's preview before we end the lesson. So we got the intro, which is a pickup, E minor 7, then D again. This time we end on G major, and then D, and then D sus, D sus D. All right, and then the verse starts in E minor. 2, 3, 4. G, And then chorus, same thing. Cool. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more awesome hits. Thank you.